Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall solve the next example, that is the question on data analysis aptitude group. So which was asked in Amazon TechOps Associate SMT Bangalore. So this is the table as well as the bar graph which is given. So quickly we shall see the question which is asked. So if the number of students who appeared for drawing exam is 240, then we need to find the number of boys who failed in drawing. So they have asked only the number of boys who failed in drawing, and they have given the number of students who appeared for drawing exam. So number of students who appeared for drawing exam is equal to 240, which is already given, which is 240. So they have only asked you about the drawing exam, so you need to just see the drawing column in the table. So you need to just see the drawing row in the table. So you can see this is the drawing, and here also they have given the percentage of students who appeared for the examination. So next thing is that this is the percentage of students who appeared for the examination. So in this case the percentage of students who appeared for drawing exam is 10%. So the percentage of students who appeared for drawing exam is equal to, so that is 10%. So since it is a 10%, we need to write it as, so 10 divided by 100 into the number of students who appeared for drawing exam is 240. So here this will calculate. So then here you can see 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and then 10 and 10 gets cancelled, and the remaining is 24. So next thing is we need to find the ratio of students who appeared for, they have basically mentioned the number of students who failed in drawing. So we need to concentrate on the boys. So ratio is 3:5, and in terms of boys it is 5. And here this is the percentage of students who passed the exam. Boys it is 80. So now what we need to do is we need to just, so this is 24 which we have got, that is number of students, that is who appeared for the drawing exam. So basically now we need to find what is the percent of, that is out of 240 we have found 24. So here we need to find the boys ratio, right? So in this case out of 24, only 24 students they appeared for the drawing exam out of 240. Here we need to find, out of 24 there are boys as well as girls, we need to find what is the boys ratio. So they have given the ratio is 3:5. We need to find the boys. So therefore you need to write it as 5 divided by total, 5 plus 3 is 8 into 24. So 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, and 5 3 is 15. So here you can see these are the boys who appeared for drawing exam. So boys who appeared for drawing exam, for the drawing exam. So but they have asked us the question like how many of the boys failed in the drawing exam. So we need to find the number of boys who failed in the drawing exam, which is equal to the percentage of boys. So failed in drawing. So failed in drawing, that too we need to find the boys. So this can be calculated as the percentage of boys passed minus the percentage of number of girls passed. So that is percentage of number of girls percentage of number of boys passed minus the percentage of, because they have already given the percentage of boys as well as girls. So percentage of girls passed. So in this question they have given that is the percentage of students who pass the exam, which is nothing but this 78 as well as 80. So we need to subtract the percentage of boys, that is 80% minus 78%. So which is equal to 2%. So we will get 2. But they have only asked, so this is the boys who failed in drawing, and we need to find the number of boys who failed in drawing. So this is in total, we need to find the number of boys who failed in drawing. As we know that there are 15 boys who appeared, so number of boys who failed in drawing is equal to 15 into 2, so which will be 30. So 30 is the number of boys who failed in drawing. So here we have the option like 26, 28, 30 as well as 36. So 30 is the correct answer for this example. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.